Hi, it's Jan. Please forgive my table. It's Halloween, heaviest card making time of the year. So it's a mess everywhere, as you saw in the previous video. Okay, this is another craft quickie. I ran out of my Happy Halloween die cut letters, so I wanted to show you how I did these. It's very efficient. It's so much easier than cutting them out and gluing them on. Just tons easier. This is a piece of cardstock. It's Astro Bright, and this is the yellow, which is the color I'm going with now. I had green previously. And this is scrapbook.com double stick tape, and this one is 6 inches wide. Ergo, we are cutting this 6 inches wide. So we have a long swath to use. Now, the way I do this, don't know if this is right. This is just the way I do it. Roll out my little tape here. I don't have to get really close to the edges because I'm going to be cutting words out. But at the same token, I don't want it sticking on anything. So try to get it aligned absolutely as close as I can to the edge. Then take a little craft blade. I call it X-Acto because those are the knives I've used all my lives. So there you go. And now you have double stick tape on the side of this. So the next thing you're going to do is we'll start at the top here. And this is washi tape. This one is used so much it pulled the paper off. Okay, what I do with my washi tape, put it on your hand or whatever to get a little bit of the oil off your hand to get it on the tape so it doesn't, the pressure of the die cut plate doesn't embed the tape onto the paper. Just works a ton easier than that. Okay, you're not gonna be able to see this part. It's my Vagabond 2 machine. And okay, it's been cut. I'm gonna take the die off. You see little pieces got stuck in the die. I just take them out with my tape. Those are the only two I see. Now, to use this, the best way I found to do this is to take the holes out, stick them up on your page. If both the tape and the hole comes out, then I just stick them in the trash. But like that'll go in the trash. It's not going to stick on anything, but that would if I put it somewhere else. So I'm just going to stick it right up here. These little guys, just kind of get in there and get them out and stick them up. And this won't affect you cutting more later, which, believe me, I'll use this whole sheet. That one came up with the tape. I think got them all. Okay, I'm actually going to apply it on this. This is my little tag that I make to go in my water bottles. So when my waterman comes to pick up my water bottles, there's just a little cute note on it for him. This time is the last time before Halloween. And there you have your double stick letters. You don't have to glue them. Yay. I'm really bad at getting glue on the back of these things. It just drives me nuts that I'm not good at it, but found a way around it. So there you go. Now I have it all stuck on there. No letters come off. Life is good. Anyway, just a quick craft quickie on how to have your double stick your letters. It's just a sticker. It's just like a sticker. And it's so much easier than stacking them and gluing them. And by the way, this gives a little bit of a thickness to it so that there's actually, it's raised more than just the cardstock. Thumbs up. Thanks a lot. If nobody's told you they love you yet today, I do.